In this video, we will show you how to edit text on any website. Whether you're a developer or just curious about how to make temporary changes to a web page, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the website in your browser. The first thing you need to do is open the website you want to edit in your browser. Make sure the page is fully loaded before proceeding. Step 2. Access developer tools. To edit the text, you will need to open the browser's developer tools. Here's how to do it. In Google Chrome, right-click on any area of the page, then click Inspect or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, Windows, or CMD plus Option plus I, Mac. In Firefox, right-click on the page, select Inspect or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, Windows, or CMD plus Option plus I, Mac. In Safari, go to Preferences, Advanced, and enable Show Develop menu in menu bar. Then, right-click and choose Inspect Element. Step 3. Find the text you want to edit. Once the developer tools are open, you will see the page's HTML code. Use the Elements tab to locate the text you want to change. You can either hover your mouse over different parts of the code, and the corresponding sections on the page will be highlighted. Use the search function in the developer tools, Ctrl plus F, to find specific words or text. Step 4. Edit the text. After finding the text you want to change, simply double-click on the text in the HTML code. You can now type in your new text. Press Enter when you're done. The page will update immediately, showing your changes in real time. Step 5. View your changes. The changes are live in your browser for as long as the page is open. However, remember that these changes are only visible to you and are temporary. If you refresh the page, your edits will be gone. Step 6. Make permanent changes, optional. If you want to make permanent changes to a website, you'll need to have access to the website's backend, like its content management system, or be the website owner. This process is different from just editing the text in your browser and involves modifying the website's source code directly or using a CMS. And that's it. You've successfully edited text on a website. Keep in mind that this method only works locally on your browser and won't change the website for other users. If you want to make permanent changes, you'll need the proper permissions and access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.